Well, our experience at the O2X workshop today was incredible. We were able to address all aspects of firefighter health and wellness, from mental health, nutrition, resiliency with injury prevention, and again with that fitness component as well.
Actually being able to relate it to my everyday job, things that I have recognized in my life and my daily work life, it means a lot. I think it's really cool.
O2X's information is invaluable. It's easy for me to talk about, oh, it's important to get your sleep or eat well or work out, but it's a lot more value or weight if it's coming from a doctor or a psychologist or someone that's actually studies it.
O2X was founded in 2013 by a group of Navy SEALs to really provide resources around occupational health hazards so they can have that longevity. They know how to manage stress to really prevent injuries.
I think it's good for the longevity of our careers. As I get older, I'm starting to recognize the importance of mobility exercises.
And the beauty of this workshop is they really simplify it for you and make it easier for you to implement those 1% changes.
It's the 1% way, really. It seems small, but I think it'll make a big difference in getting the buy-in and people feeling better, and that's the goal.
MSA is really a leader in this space when it comes to providing resources. There's not a ton of resources out there that are able to meet departments where they're at and address those very specific needs, and that's one of the great things about O2X is the customizable side of what we do.
O2X does a great job of delivering that information, and MSA is provided us that opportunity.
I'd just like to thank MSA and O2X for giving us this opportunity. We've got several individuals now, 30 plus individuals in our department that can take this message and bring it to other crews. And I think it just multiplies the efforts, keeps us going on the right track with improving firefighter health and wellness.